Hi, I'm Helene from Pastimes. I'm going to show you how to import an image into Google Drawings, adjust the size and color, and print it. First, we need to set up the format of the document and give it a name. You will need a Google account to do this and log in. Go to your browser and type in drawings.google.com. You will get an unnamed document with a checkered pattern in the middle that is the size of the drawing. The pattern means it is presently transparent. First, we give the document a name so that it will be saved automatically. I call it boar because we are making the boar that Heracles or Hercules killed. Now we are changing the size of the drawing to letter size. Go to File and choose Page Setup. In the US, a letter size piece of paper is 8.5 by 11 inch. We need to use the ruler to see the measurements of your image. You can find that under View. This time we are going to insert the image and get it to the right size. I use an image that I saved on my desktop. Here is part of a Greek vase from the website theoi.com showing Heracles holding the boar above his head. Our puppet of Heracles is 10 inch tall, so we need to drag the image to the right size. To measure correctly, I insert horizontal rulers here, which you find under View. Since the document is 11 inch tall, I move one guide to 1/2 inch from the top and the other guide to 1/2 inch from the bottom. I drag the image from the corner where it shows up in blue. Now Heracles fits between the two guides. You see that the boar is bigger than the width of the paper, so we need to rotate him and crop the image. Click on the image, choose Format, then choose Format Options. This brings you to the right side, where you choose Size and Rotation. Make it rotate 90%. Once this is done, I am moving the boar to the middle of the document. You crop the image by clicking on the crop tool here. Drag the cropping line to where you want to stop, then click the cropping tool again. We are almost done. To save ink of your printer, we will just adjust the color. In Format Options on the right, which you find under Format, go to Recolor and choose Grayscale. Underneath that, go to Adjustment and adjust the brightness and contrast until you see the boar clearly against the white background. Now we just need to print the document so that we can attach it to black poster board paper and cut it out. You print out the boar by going to File and then to Print. Once you're done, cut out the boar with a wide margin and attach it to the black paper with 2 pieces of rolled up tape. Then cut it out precisely along the lines with small scissors. Make the legs a bit wider than those in the image. Cut out the eye and leave him an eyeball if you can. Finish off by cutting the hair on the back. When you stick a holding rod against the back, you have your puppet. Have fun!